Okay, so John Martin here at Auto Dips, and I bought a pair of rear lights to restore and then resell. These are from an early 90s Mazda 323, but these are also used on a much higher brand car. Lots of people don't know, a small amount of people do know. So what these are actually used on is an Aston Martin DB7. But like I say, they've just arrived and the lenses are in a shocking state. That looks like tar coming off, whatever it is. So hopefully I can colour sand and polish these. I don't know about the black plastic though. We'll see how that cleans up. But I don't see any cracks, lots of scratches. Same with the other one. I wouldn't say one's better than the other, but aye. So the plan is clean them, start colour sanding them, hopefully try and retain some of the original information on them without losing it, or the Stanley information just in the bottom here, and then we'll see what we end up with. I'll keep you posted. Thanks.